So for this problem, to find the area of the shaded region if A and B are squares of sides 4 centimeters and 7 centimeters respectively. So from this, given the small square, the sides are 4 centimeters, and for the bigger square, the sides are 7 centimeters. So to find out the area for the shaded region, so first we need to find the area of the small square. So the formula, so just multiply these two sides. So this is 4 times 4. So the area is 16 centimeters squared. Then for the area of the bigger square, so again, just multiply these two sides. So 7 times 7, so the area is 49 centimeters squared. Then next, from this diagram, observe that we have these three right triangles. So for this one triangle A, so we need to find the area for this triangle A. So since this one is a right triangle, so the formula is 1/2 times base times height. So again, to find the area of triangle A, so this is 1/2 times the product of these two sides, 4 times 4, or this is equal to 1/2 times 16. So therefore, the area of triangle A is 8 centimeters squared. Then we have the second triangle. So this triangle, this one is B. Now, since this one is 7 and this side is 4, so therefore this side is 3 centimeters. So we can find now the area of triangle B. So again, this is equal to 1/2 times the product of these two sides. So 3 times 7, or this is 1/2. So 3 times 7, this one is 21. So therefore, the area of this triangle B is 10.5 centimeters squared. Then for the last triangle, this one is triangle C. So the bigger triangle. So since this side is 7 and this one is 4, therefore this side is equal to 11 centimeters. So we can find now the area for triangle C. So we have 1/2 times, this one is 7 times, so 4 plus 7, this one is 11, or this is 1/2 times 77. So therefore, the area of triangle C is 38.5 centimeters squared. Then from this, so we can find now the area of the shaded region. So from the area of these two squares, so we have the total area is 16 plus 49. So this is equal to 65 centimeters squared. So from this total area minus the area of triangle A, that's 8, minus the area of triangle B, that's 10.5, minus the area of this triangle C, that's 38.5. So therefore, the area of the shaded region, so we have 65 minus 8, then minus 10.5 minus 38.5. So that's 8 centimeters squared. So therefore the area for the shaded region is 8 centimeter squared.